Hello, I'm Chef Mark with Escoffier Online International Culinary Academy. Today we'll be preparing how to cook a breaded pork chop. So ideally, get yourself a nice shoulder chop to have more flavor, or a loin chop works well. But we like to pat it dry. I have panko breadcrumbs, P-A-N-K-O. I have a little red pepper. I have smoked paprika, salt, and black pepper mixed into the panko breadcrumbs. They're an Asian breadcrumbs that are sold on the international aisle of many supermarkets. Also have eggs that I have beaten well. I also have some minced garlic, olive oil, and a skillet because I'm going to make breaded pork chop. This comes out really nice. What's nice about it is that the color you get from the eggs and the panko breadcrumbs. Very simply, pat it dry, nice pork chop, preheat your pan, press the pork chops into the breadcrumbs, then into the egg, and then into the breadcrumbs again. We've double breaded that. That way it gives the pork chop a little more depth and a nice crunch. We're going to sear this pork chop. I don't know if you want to pan fry it in lots of fat. What we like to do is sear it, and I always like to finish my pork chops in the oven. Preheat the pan. Once you see some smoke coming off the oil and it starts to swirl by itself, even put a breadcrumb and see. See, it's frying, good. So, as we said before, or you may know before, when you cook items, make sure you place it away from you. We'll lower that heat. Let that brown. Take a check and see. All right, nice mahogany brown color. Little garlic on the side. And now we'll place it into the oven, 350-degree oven for about 4 to 6 minutes. And now that it's done, we're going to take the pork chop, right on the top, some of that garlic, a beautiful garnish of some garlic chives and some julienne tomato, a little black pepper, and there you have a great how to cook breaded pork chops. Beautiful, bon appetit.